How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect Steam to PS5. Now, the first thing that I have to tell you is there's limitation when it comes to this. We cannot natively connect both of these accounts or both of this computer or consoles to each other natively. So we have to do a turnaround solution. This is not the official way in order for us to do this. The first thing that you want to do is to actually get the PS Remote Play. So in that way, we could basically connect our PlayStation with our computer right here. So just download this up, and what you want to do is to then connect your DualSense 5 controller onto your computer. From there, you then want to simply open up the remote play. You can then open up any games on your computer right here, and then it will redirect it back onto your PS5. So as of right now, that's the only way to do this. So if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.